Okay, so welcome to Rick Dangerous, the first Indiana Jones knockoff made by the company that created the Tomb Raider franchise. And I'm going to play this with infinite lives and infinite dynamite and ammunition, because I've actually seen that on Wikipedia that this game was actually really highly received by critics, like got really high scores. And I personally think this game absolutely sucks. And I'm going to demonstrate why this game sucks and why I played with infinite life and infinite ammo and infinite dynamite. So allow me to demonstrate. So first you get chased by a boulder, because of course you do. Okay. This is one of the reasons this game sucks. The controls are very annoying to shoot. You don't actually just push fire. You have to push fire and push up at the same time. And if you don't hit it exactly right, you just jump and land on the enemy and he kills you.
Let me know when this gets irritating, okay?
It's irritating almost at once.
And it's the same with setting down dynamite. You have to push fire and push down. And sometimes it doesn't work, so you just crouch. But you run away anyway, because you don't want to get hit by the dynamite. And the other reason this game sucks, I've just showed you that... Okay, let me just get there again. There are traps, and you don't see them, because when you go down, you don't see it before you fall. And then, when you die, let me demonstrate this. When you die, you go right back to the beginning of the entire level and have to do the entire level all over again. And there I just jumped again instead of firing because of the stupid controls.
I don't get it. What's fun about that?
So because of the traps that you don't see, you start over and over and over again. The same level. And the controls are absolutely annoying. That's why I think the game sucks. Always the spikes that you don't see. You fall and at the bottom there are spikes, and here are probably... Ah, this time it worked. Most of the time it doesn't work with the damn dynamite. Here's stuff you need to blow up with dynamite, but if you get too close it kills you. See? I tried to put down dynamite, but you have to hit it exactly right. It's like the screenshot function on my phone. Once again I jumped when I wanted to fire. Never know where you fall. That also kills you when you touch it. And start from the beginning again. Do it all over again from the beginning. And again. This gets really tedious and frustrating. Playing the same level over and over again. Something here will probably kill me. Ah, no. Okay. I don't get it. Oh, I have to touch that. Huh. Yeah, of course. There's a spike. And start from the beginning. That's very nice. Start from the beginning. Ah! You see how many times I've played this by now? Of course. Yeah, of course. And from the beginning. See, I wanted to shoot, but didn't hit the button exactly right. And start the level from the beginning again. instead of just respawning me at the point where I died. What now? What now? Of course. I'm going to do this one more time. And then I'm done. It's really tiresome to do this entire level from the beginning over and over again. That's nice. Now what do I do? Okay, so much for Rick Dangerous.